Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr listener. So, we had a wee struggle if you watched the first parts of the Nintendo Switch, so hopefully in the future I will add more of those recordings. And for now, let's try to put it back together, so it's an assembly part. Yes, so let me switch to the DSLR. Okay, that's DSLR on. Now we've got a port here and we've got a memory, so let's put this memory first, okay, because we can. Something doesn't try to fit. Okay, now this metal is in, that's fine. Let's try to find where is the switch itself. Here we can put all together. Now that's the damaged port I had, and now we need to slide it this way where the port is. Yes, if you won't do it this way, keep it in mind, then you will struggle. Keeping in mind that you've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 things to keep in mind. If you won't keep them in mind, you'll have a problem. Yes, so 1 here, okay, 1 here, and let's first put it like that. Okay, and now we can count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 here. That should be everything right now. Oh, this don't wanna go. Okay, so now it should be everything. So let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We get them all. Yes, so now we just need to make sure that it's firm. Get those bigger screws you remember here, or those ones. Yes, and then we get all those here with this port, but I don't know which tip I've got on the screwdriver actually, so I need to look for the screwdriver first. Guys, I'll pause because I've placed my screwdriver somewhere I can't find it, so no value for you right now. Okay, so we got it. Let's zoom in. Okay, trying to get better view. So I want to catch in few places so that I can just test it. Yes, I don't want to do anything major with it. I just want to plug in the charger and see that it is okay. So let's continue. We don't need to plug antennas, that's for sure. Get open port. I don't know if I can see here, or I need to use probably magnification. That has to go inside there. That's slightly off to one side. So, oh, it's going on one side, it doesn't want to go on this side. So I don't know how you will be doing it, okay, but my one goes off, you know, to one side, so that's why I'm struggling to insert it properly. Okay, now it's it's trying to align. Okay, I'll get this helper, small helper. Oh, and now it went to the very end. I can't do it any further, and it's almost touching these pins here, so that should be okay. Now these ones are a pain because I remember them. These are a pain, so I need to use my tweezers. Okay, because I was trying to do it by hand, and by hand they are so pain. Without tweezers it's just too much. Now it's okay. Okay, it's fine. I was stupid without using these tweezers before when I was trying to put it. So you see, with tweezers it's much easier. Okay, we can do the antennas, that's not a problem. Okay, and now it's a space here to connect the card reader. Okay, this stuff. But okay, that has to be like that. Okay, did I miss anything? No, I did not miss anything. So then again, this, oh, you don't see everything, so this has to be okay. That's open, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, that's inserted. Now I don't see a distance properly. Okay, so it went in, and now we can use these screws. There are two screws here for this. On this side. I've got a customer in 10 to 40 minutes, so I might have a break with it. But as long as I can test it that it is working, then that's fine. Okay. Another screw here. See, I don't remember it from top of my head. It's not Xbox, which I'm doing on a daily basis, 1S or 1X. So it is what it is. And I can only remember as much as I can only remember. Now that looks okay. Now this I think was easier as well with tweezers. Okay, and before I'll put the power on, I see that I've made a problem, which is this one. How I was able to forget about this one, I've got no idea. You tell me. But I did forget. I won't be putting extra thermal paste until I won't switch it on, okay? Because I don't know if I have to open it again or not. But as I don't know, I don't wanna put it and then open it. So I only want to catch those 3 screws here. 1, 2, 3. And then once I know it's working, then I can do the rest. Even open it, put thermal paste. Okay, here's another one. Okay, that's another speaker. Oh, that went behind this, and then it's cable shortage. Okay, now is this one, just the power. Okay, so let's try this cable. Where is the charger? The charger here, it was plugged in, and it's here. Okay. We've seen 5 volts anyway, so we're happy, but it should show up here. And it's not. So either the battery is dead, okay, or there is something wrong with this Nintendo Switch. None of the sides are working. Let's check if we've got those 5 volts here on those test points, because if we have, we can just give it some time and then it should be fine. Okay, you won't see it anyway. Maybe here you can see it. Yes, we've got 5 volts. So 5 volts are coming in, so I did a good job. This system is powered okay. So as it has 5 volts, I can't say it's my fault. What else is the fault here? I've got no idea. But guys, for now, I know that the power is coming in. So either there is some other issue with it, okay, because I don't see this charging thingy here, or this for some reason don't like my charger. But it is 5 volts, so it is getting 5 volts, okay. And on this side, because I've checked one side of the charger, so let's check on the second side of the charger if that takes or not. And it takes on both sides, guys. So if it takes on both sides, that means both rows of pins are okay. So I can't do anything. I've done what customer came for, okay. And customer came for a replacement of the USB port, and I've done it. So I can only leave it for now for like 15 minutes. If it won't start to charge, then I can't assemble it, okay? But that's all I was asked for. And if it's not my fault, because the voltage comes in through the USB port and we've seen the whole process. So what can I say? If it doesn't work, then either I will be asked to find the fault, what's wrong, or I won't. But customer asked and customer was served, yes? So now I can either put everything back together or wait, see. I don't see anything on the screen. I don't know if that's screen fault or something else, or it's just battery so low that can't take 5 volts in yet enough that it can charge. So I will just leave it here, guys. It's 16 minutes video, but that's all we could do, you know. Everything else is done properly. All the connectors, the power button I'll check. No, the power button doesn't work, so yes, I'm holding this power button. I can hold it for longer, up to 15 seconds, and then it's pointless, guys. So maybe the port shorted charging circuit, and maybe, you know, that caused an issue, and now it won't boot on because the boot cycle will require proper charging readings. And maybe I'm you know, I'm guessing, yes, because I don't know what happened for real. I know only what customer told me. So as we shouldn't trust anybody, just make your own tests. I can say for now I'm leaving it for 15 minutes and I'm coming back. Then I'll swap the side of the charger. I will get for the next test I will get my Nintendo Switch charger. And if that will be the same on the Nintendo Switch, not on the universal USB 5 volts, which should work as well, because when you buy replacement, that's universal, and you don't need extra, you know, Nintendo one. What it is, Nintendo. Okay, so we've got a Nintendo one. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but it's Nintendo, yes. So okay, that's us. Let's take it off. That's it. Let's check. Oh, there is, guys, so this didn't like the charger, you see. So the universal one not always works, but it's weird because I'm buying this universal for Nintendo Switch from, I think, Argos, and I never had any issues with that. So now let's see, okay, let's see what voltage we will have on those pins. It will be minus because I'm touching it wrongly. Wow, it's 15 volts, not 5. Wow. So I think I took the wrong, I think it can be me. It can be my fault, because I think I took the 5 volt charger where it's needed 15 volt charger. Yeah, now it's charging. Okay, I'll leave it anyways, you know, I'll leave it. Why I will leave it? Actually, no point to leave it because it's working. Now let's check the other side. Okay, so the other side doesn't work. It's only charged in one direction. Yes, only charge in one direction. Okay, well, I'll leave it because I don't want to, you know, make something nasty with it. I'll put screws back together, okay, and we'll let it charge, and then I will test it. But that's it, guys. That's everything. I don't have to, I don't have to show you, I think, screws. That's if you put them in the order, yes, you've got all of them. Just keep in mind those Y ones are on the external enclosure. The rest is fine, you can figure it out. That's not a problem. And you'll have this one as well. And now I don't remember when this one was. So yay, happy days. But it's at the end, so it's late. Ah, okay, it's on this here, I think. I don't know, to be. I'll be trying to figure it out. But for now, I'm happy that, it's working, it's charging, and I can finish it off. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.